My preparatory leave started 2 days back. What did I do for 2 days? Nothing. I just watched chick flicks on Netflix. But now we're here, and I also made a schedule for how I'm going to revise for the next 2 weeks. Today is the day I start implementing that schedule. And I was thinking maybe if I record it and if it turns out good, you guys can have something to watch. 17 January 2025. Documenting this to let you know that I am stressed to the peak. I took 5 hours to finish diabetes today. 5 hours just for diabetes. So, in other news, I don't know what happened. I don't know if the department displaced it, but I don't have my surgery logbook. The last time it was in the department, and honestly, I have no time to sit and argue with the department, so I'm just buying it again and writing the whole logbook again. I don't know what to do. Do not know. I do not like this. I wasn't able to study yesterday at all. I was like, okay, I'm gonna watch one episode of Parks and Rec. I watched one season. I'll tell you, I am very stressed about the future of Bollywood. We're talking about Junaid Khan and like, why are they launching these people?
Before our finals. I am so stressed about the future of Bollywood.
It's true. Nobody, like so much of young talent, so many people are in Mumbai trying out. The really beautiful people, really talented people who have charisma, who have everything. But no, these production houses won't back them up. Bollywood movies, they're dying. Love Today, Love Yapa they made. Love Today only, good movie, great movie. Obviously problematic, but now the Love Yapa is one. I don't know. Uyama also got big flop. That girl can only dance.
ये priorities होती हैं. अभी full sermon. You listen to your sermon on we shouldn't be stressed about exams. Why? Because we are more stressed about the future of Bollywood.
5 things मैं अपने दोस्तों को 5 advice दे रही हूँ for 5 advice to have a stress-free exam life, which I have started applying अभी. Number 1, अभी तो जो तुम पढ़ने वाले हो उसका impact तुम्हारे पेपर में at max 30 to 40% होगा. So जितना भी करो अच्छे से करो, but don't think that अगर आज नहीं किया तो मैं पेपर एकदम ही खराब जाएगा. तुम दोनों बहुत स्मार्ट हो. You guys are smart people who've done first, second, third year. You love your subjects and that will reflect in your paper. So it's okay. Don't worry about it. Second thing, when people say I'm giving my 100%, I feel like people fail to realize that 100% is not me studying like properly 9 hours a day, every day, getting good sleep, doing everything. It also includes my personal 100% जहाँ पे I need my rest days, I need 1 day break, and that is also still me giving my 100% only. Because अगर मैं वो rest day नहीं लूँगी, बाकी दिनों का मेरा 100% कम हो रहा है. See, that was mine. That's funny. मेरा आलू exchange हो गया इसके साथ. अभी ढंग से ना सोने से, अभी stress लेने से, you're just putting too much expectations on yourself for the paper. Only thing you need to expect from yourself in the paper is to have a good state of mind during the paper. No self-doubt, no thoughts of worthlessness, no thoughts of oh अगर मैं भूल गई तो क्या हुआ. अगर तू भूल गई तो क्या हुआ तब देख लेना ना. अब क्यों stress करना है. Anyways guys, that was my time. Like, share, and subscribe. So around 5 p.m. I come here. It's a good place. I usually walk around with a cup of chai or coffee and read marrow notes for Dermat and Psych. But yeah, great place. And also it's just me with the trees and the earphones and the music. Exams. वो जो था ख्वाब था क्या कहे कि जाने दे. Literally, the only point of recording this video was that the lighting was nice and I was looking a little cute. I will tell you guys about how I revised during these 20 days because I think I did really cool strategies for both revision during prep leave and 2 days before the exam, considering 4th year has like a shit ton of syllabus. So that video is coming up in the next 1 week, hopefully. Let's go. Also, I did not study a single minute in my room during this entire exam season. I was either on a sofa, in the lobby, or in the library, or on the floor, or literally any other place other than my room was fine by me. I'm a top one believer of not waking up early. But like seriously, I kind of woke up a little late today, and I did not start stuff. I haven't revised CNS and CVS for the past 1 month. The only thing I've done from this paper is very less. So, coffee. Because I'm doing a self-motivating exam vlog.
You're still doing vlogging.
Yeah. Stuff like this, I do it, and then I decide if I want to post it or not. Like, I do this to motivate myself. Up until yesterday, I was so cute in the library. Now I just look a hobo. Is the hobo look. Wow. Great breeze. This reminds me of like high school and all. This is not even my color. Ew. Pink lips, pink lips, pink lips, pink lips. Herbal tushko karte miss. Pink lips. Delirium. I want to show you all my favorite thing. So I'm doing this new series for my exam called Bro Forgot, okay? So I do one thing during revision. I start active recalling, right? When I active recall the topic, and then I go back and read the topic, and there are going to be things that I forgot, obviously. I write them down, right? And I read it an hour before the exam, and it's probably going to just be like 20 pages. So, Bro Forgot. तेरी याद सताए रे रात दिमाग इतना cook हो गया है. Yesterday Sneha told me cook, the word that we use now, is technically Hindi for pakana. Active recall really, messes with your mind. And the worst part about medicine paper is that you know stuff, but you don't know enough. So you're bored, but you can't stop reading it just because you're bored, because you won't get marks otherwise. So it's just, I'm bored. भाई इसीलिए बनाए थे मैंने सब अपने डोले शोले. Hi, it is Parks and Rec and sleep time. I'm gonna crash so hard right now.
This vibration from perception and motor.
I am like an hour behind schedule. But it's okay because I was being annoying with my revision till now, but I will speed it up. The anxiety drives you. On T-1, today is T-1, I'm already done. How? I don't know, 2 more weeks, no, 1 more month with practicals. Anyways, I'll look cute. I'm going to the library. Guys, remember how I told you, like, ew, I don't like making notes, that's so much work. But trust me, I did it in final year for like minimum, for at least 20% of the syllabus I tried making notes, okay? It's a life changer, man. I mean, other years, I'm not really sure, but final year, please try making notes as much as you can. I was really stressed up until now. I think I still am, like a borderline. But I was really, it was down bad. I was having palpitations and everything. But I just had coffee with my friend, and he just told me that you have to really change your perspective towards this exam. I think I was going in with a lot of, I need to get 4 on 4 for every answer. I need to not miss a single point. I cannot miss reading anything. But everything that I've worked on for the past 4 years was to not freak out a day before my exam. So I think the work that I've put in for 4 years is going to speak tomorrow, not what I've done today or what I've done yesterday. So that put me at ease. So now I'm gonna study and chill and actually enjoy my studying, because I love reading CNS and I cannot believe I was stressed while reading CNS. Hello, since you heard all my full dialogue bazi, I got a little tired. I did hepatobiliary. I finished that shiz, and now I felt like having coffee. So I'm gonna go, and I've decided to cut short GI into just reading malabsorption syndromes. because I've done the rest of GI and surgery, and I'm hoping that's not a bad decision. Inshallah, I can't do anything about it. Electrolyte abnormalities, I did it. That's the only thing that I did from today's syllabus in the past 15 days. So that shouldn't take too long. Lot of selective reading, but it's okay. It's okay, I'm not stressed. This is the life. Hello. I left the library. I'm having anxiety in waxing and waning cycles. Like, sometimes I'm like, okay, everything is for knowledge. I know I've done my job. It's fine, it's fine. And the next minute, I'm reading something superficially and I feel bad that I'm reading it superficially, and then I feel like I'm not remembering anything. Because so many things are volatile. Although I understand most of it is concept, but there are things you need to mug up. And I'm scared I won't be able to do that. But I'm sorry, I talked to my senior and he gave me some solid advice. The essence of it was to chill out and things will work out the way they're supposed to. Okay, let's see. I ordered pizza because exam pe time मैं ज़्यादा मतलब calories नहीं देखती personally. We are essentially 6 hours behind schedule. But I was thinking, let's just wrap up the important topics. Anyway, I've made notes on them long before. So, CNS, 4 or 5 pages of CVS and chronic renal failure. That's it. CNS is a lot, but that's it. Bro, the more I'm like, oh, I'm done with syllabus. It keeps coming. It's like never ending. To be fair, if you gave me the exam right now, I will still write it. Maybe not too good, but I will write it. So please give me fast. It feels like I'm just filling in time until the exam. I'm gonna get 5 hours of sleep today, which is not ideal. But at the same time, I have full stroke left. Entirety of stroke, which is probably a 10 marker. So I should probably do it. Do you think we can scare some people? Yeah, we can. मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना सुन यार मैं डर गई, लाइट ऑफ हो गया. नेल शिट. मेरे तो पायल भी है भाई. मैंने कर रही. Not doing this anymore. I woke up at 7. It's fine. I woke up, got dressed. Now I have CNS left. I'll speed run it by 8 o'clock, so I'll have nice 1.5 hour to study. I'll go have breakfast. How are you feeling?
Oh, she's on a call.
No doubt. She's camera conscious. How are you feeling, Bretton?
No.
This is so funny. Everyone's so stressed, and this is literally the easiest paper ever. Everyone is. Okay, I have to go in. How are you feeling?
We didn't realize Sriya was vlogging. No, I look like shit and that's gonna
The timer started getting 59, 58, and I was still writing. Hi, hello. I'm so stupid because 10 marker, first 10 marker, I left it for the end. And then I panicked and I wrote the wrong diagnosis. Fortunately, diagnosis was only for 2 marks. So I am Bhagwan se hoping they don't cut all the 10 marks. Guys, oh no. So we found a YouTube video that says, do not choose KMC Manipal. And then she just goes like, that's like reverse school mitochondria. Turns out it's someone from our batch. Okay, I kind of overreacted. I went back and my friend showed me the reason why I probably wrote internal capsule, because I read this line that says that internal capsule can have aphasia, Broca's aphasia. So I'm sure you all have zero context, but the point is I'm just glad I didn't make a blunder. It's not about the marks. I was just really upset that I didn't diagnose it correctly. But there's a good chance that I did diagnose it correctly. What's up? Fresh updates. It's my surgery 1 exam tomorrow. It's 1 p.m. Exam is at 10 tomorrow, and I have kidney, ureter, bladder, prostate, testis, pancreas, stomach, esophagus, rectum, anus, parathyroid, all of these topics left. Essentially, the entire syllabus is left. This is so bad that it's funny at this point. If you guys see me at the other end of the tunnel, yay. That paper was wild. What I pulled in the morning was wild. 2 hours where I finished all the aforementioned topics. Subah utke. And I got 6 hours of sleep. So, productivity, not really. Anyways, the paper was decent for the level of education that was done. So now we're going to the next paper. This paper is like the hump day of papers. You know how Wednesday is where all the energy is gone and you just do not want to study? It's that day. But I can't do that. No rest for you. I rested 2 hours. I'm so excited to watch Badass Ravi Kumar after exams get done. Actually, I didn't even vlog the worst parts of the exam abhi tak, which were me making very, very, very silly, stupid mistakes like messing up the doses of TB in my medicine paper. TB that I've been doing for 3 years now. And there's a stupid question, very simple question they asked. They're like, where do you see delirium tremens? The options were alcohol dependence, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and depression. So obviously you see delirium tremens in alcohol. But I was like, यार dependence कैसे लिख दिया? ये तो alcohol withdrawal में दिखता है. So I was like, okay, I put schizophrenia for no absolute reason. Mildly, but I was here. This is actually crazy. Every exam I'm like, this exam I will finish the syllabus. No exam I finish the syllabus. I still have at least 5 hours of study left. But essentially I have only 1.5 hours to do all of it in the morning. So good work. I love final year. Yeah. I'm gonna go for water. Wow, क्या scene है क्या? It's lovely. You wanna give your opinions on today's paper?
Very bad paper.
That isn't me, bro.
Guys, what if we use this to prevent like peeing in exam hall, because like they don't let you pee in exam hall. Okay guys, I don't think this should be online. Oh, lovely. OBG, lovely. Time to get test done. Pregnancy. The exam was great. सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए.
इच्छा पूरी होगी ना?
गांव देखना है क्या? आंखें बंद कर लो.
देखना है तो आंखें बंद कर लो. ये तो
It's kind of the last exam. Oh, I just realized this lighting is unflattering. I literally just came from the parlor, or oh no, am I just okay? Never mind. It's the last exam. I have 2.5 days, and nobody really studied in this half day. I did want to study. My mother is here, so I came here to study. All I did till now is make a list of topics. Also, I got a rose. So pretty. ఎప్పటికీ నీ చలి భారం నీదేనా My. Oh my god, it's one last day before the last theory exam of my life, hopefully. I'm assuming there are no theory exams if I go to the US. But if I'm here, bad luck. Anyways, I'm just behind the library, हवा खा रही थी और vaccines revise कर रही थी. मज़ा आ रहा है actually. What a day, listening to songs. Perfect. Guys, मैंने बैठे बैठे एक mnemonic बनाया जो थोड़ा morbid है, but it's okay. Do you know? Yeah. They can hear me. See? So the mnemonic is कि जो तुम्हारा refrigerator है जहाँ पे vaccines you store it. In the higher components you need to store the vaccines that need to be cooled down, right? So the vaccines you store are BCG. Oh, I can't use this word, but never mind. BCG, Japanese encephalitis, MR, MMR, Rota. The mnemonic is that you remember Lobo from 3 Idiots. So virus rejected his project और फिर वो रोता रोता रह गया, Rota. And then he says BC for BCG. सारी उम्र हम मर MR, MMR के GJE. So these are all the vaccines, and since they're supposed to be colder because Lobo Christian था, उसको जलाते नहीं हैं और ये ऊपर स्टोर होते हैं क्योंकि Lobo ऊपर चला गया. This is bad. For more contact. It is the morning of the exam. How are you feeling?
I'm just glad it's over.
We're just glad it's over. Gonna have breakfast and we're revising. Yeah, we're revising growth. Growth and development. We're going to be revising. Dog. Okay, bye. Yeah. You can answer both. Okay, so like the thing stopped working, okay? Look at everyone. They're still writing. You know, you can't see. Okay. Bro, you know what? I am done. For the YouTube video, can you tell me how the exam was?
Yeah, I didn't like it that much. But it's over. And that's
It's
all that
done,
matters.
and we're eating a bunch of food. That is cut. Ooh, anchovy sauce bus.
It's not. Oh my.